Hi, this is Abhijit. This is Sandeep Mamrede and this is Bhuvan. We are doing the project 3 input audio mixer and now we will show the demo. This is our project and in which we are showing that in which we are adding 3 input signals as told in as inferred by the name 3 input audio mixer, where the first input will be this pin and the second this will be the output and this will be the second input and this will be the third input, and from this earphones you will take the output. If you want, we can also use a speaker or something. Okay, first thing, if we will give any input or song or any audio input through these 3 inputs, these 3 inputs will be added and given to the output. This is the output from which we are taking from the earphones. And now if we go through the circuit diagram of this, this will be our circuit diagram where 1, 2, 3, these 3 will be the op amps IC741s, and then this will be the inputs. These 3, mic 1, mic 2, mic 3 will be the inputs which we are giving to the capacitor and a 1 kilo ohm resistor. This 100 kilo ohm resistor is the feedback resistor, where we will take the input to this through a potentiometer, that is 10k potentiometer, and the output we are having, these 3 will be summed and given to this. This sum of these 3 will be given as output through this. So here instead of 10k resistor, we are using a potentiometer here to get the optimal output.
Here the output from the 3 ICs will be 40 decibel each, and they will be summing up, and from the output from the 4th IC will be 45 decibels as they amplifies.
Now we are showing the demo of the project. See, first I am giving an input through my laptop. So I am giving a song from this. When we listen from the earphones, we will get the song as an output. For example, if I increase the sound, this from the earphones we will get an output. So if we give from the second to the second input, I am giving from this phone. This will be working on dual power supply. So I am using 2 batteries here. Okay, now I am giving second input from the phone. Now if I increase the sound, now if I playing the song, I have been getting the output from the earphones. I can also give a third input from the pin, where I will get the summing output from the earphones which I am using as an output. Watching our demo video. Thank you for watching our demo video.
We sincerely thank our Sir Prakash sir for encouraging our project.